Hello teacher and friends, I'm Taman Wing and today I want to show you about the leadership in early childhood education and care setting. In this presentation, I will show you the leadership style that's suitable for me, also demonstrate my professional commitments and implications for practice. There is one leadership style that's aligned with my perspective, and it is the distributed leadership. In my opinion, distributed leadership is where that all the followers and the leaders together share all the responsibilities in leadership roles and their own field. For example, the centers where I do the placement for my study experience. In there, all the educators share the leadership roles and teaching role. For example, all the educator can observe children and write down the ideas for their learnings and plans in notes. And all the educators can lead the projects that's suitable for children. If that educators is willing to engage, some decisions making in the centers need to be discussed together for the better ideas, and therefore everyone can take leadership roles. I see these leadership styles bring very good results in many actions and tasks. In my opinion, distributed leadership help everyone in the centers engage in the programs and create better solutions for the centers. Furthermore, it reduces misunderstanding problems in all system actions. According to the NICE and Thornton 2017, distributed leadership is the style resulting from effective leadership practice. It leads to the trust that comes from sharing the visions and responsibilities among all members of the organizations. Furthermore, according to the Sava and Toll 2018, distributed leaderships help the organizations more easily to control the system. Also, it increases collaboration in members and create better opportunities for all members to learn from others. The contributed leaderships also benefits with children, as teachers are more committed to the school and create better learning environments for children. It's also aligned with the EYLF principle, where all the educators collaborate with each other and share the responsibilities for children learning and children developments. Distributed leadership style also aligned with the NQS Area 4 2026, especially with 4.2.1 professional collaborations, where you recognize each member's strength and skill to collaborate with each other. My professional commitment is guided by the Code of Ethics 2016. For the colleges, based on my leadership style and my belief, I want to build a good relationships where everyone is trusted and confident enough to eager to engage in all the leadership process and the central decision making. Also, I want to support members to show their strength of professional knowledge and skill. This aligns with the Code of Ethics, which requires the educators to acknowledge and support college, the diverse strengths and experiences. Then using that to have to connect and increase the central member qualities, and it's also aligned with the buildings a spirit of collegiality through trust, respect, and honesty, which help team members connect to and to be more engaged to focus on their work. With families, based on the code of ethics, I want to create a good relationship with families where we can collaborate to create a more suitable plan for children that align with the family's expectations. Furthermore, I want to understand children family culture and respect family culture and belief. By understanding the family cultures, I can create the most suitable plan for each child with a diverse background. This aligns with the code of ethics where educators need to learn and respect each family culture, structure, language, and family belief. For children, I believe in to create children a safe space where children can explore confidently. Also, I create environments that I need to protect children from any harm that could affect them. This aligns with the code of ethics where the educators must ensure children are treated equally and educators support children stay away from any discriminations based on their identities. Also create the inclusive environments for children is very necessary. In my daily practice, I will be influenced by distributed leaderships. This influences how I collaborate with colleges and how I improve the early childhood center setting and process. Therefore, in my practice, I want to build a strong connection so that all the information can be delivered through the entire system smoothly. And through that, educators can together discuss and create the best plan for children. For example, all the educators together write what they observe from the children. Then we update the notes in the group group chats and we discuss together how to create a learning based on what we observe. Furthermore, if one educator have an idea and want to lead that idea in the group sessions, we let that educator try to do it in a real sessions. Another things I want to do in my practice is doing a group reflections on everything that happened in the centers because it helps everyone take responsibilities in any actions in the education centers. For example, I want to do the team meeting where everyone can share everything that's happened in the centers, such as discussing about the challenges or exploring different strategies to create a better children learnings. With this, every educators can learn different perspectives and knowledge from each other. This will improve their education skill and knowledge. In conclusions, distributed leadership help educators connect to each other, take more responsibility, and run the program smoothly. This will help all members understand my commitment to running the learning plan more effectively and make it suitable for each child. Thank you.